Hi, everybody. So first of all, I want to say thank you to everybody who has checked on me, who's tried to figure out what's been going on with me. I had a baby 7 months ago, and so I'm now getting back into the swing of things with everything. So number one, bringing back meal prep. Meal prep is a meal prep service that I do weekly. If you've not done it before, your meals are cooked weekly for you. There's 2 different packages. If you want to find out more information, email me, fitwhilebrown@gmail.com, and I'll send you out the package information. Number 2, Virtual Boot Camp is back. So starting this Saturday, 7 a.m., Virtual Boot Camp will be back every Saturday. Once you register, I'll send you a link to click for boot camp. All you have to do from your phone, your tablet, or your laptop is click that link and you're just run on in. There's no login or any information like that. It's going to be quick and easy. You can do this in the comfort of your home or any other space that you choose, but there are no excuses. So this Saturday, let's get started back with Virtual Boot Camp. It will not be a link after it's done. This is live every Saturday. So I will be with you. I will support you through this. Tell your girlfriends, tell your friends, tell whoever wants to jump in. Let's do this. Let's get a good support going, and let's get this fitness journey. For some, let's get it started. For others, let's just keep continuing. But I'm here for you. If you have any questions or anything you want to reach out, shoot me an email, fitwhilebrown@gmail.com. You can follow me on Instagram at fitwhilebrown, and you can also check out my YouTube channel, Fit While Brown.